natandika okuyimba briefly banzijukiza wano because that yali end of 2013 kati mbala 2014 natandika akayimba nakata mu December 2013 aka you know I need you aka rabadaba mukajukira you know I'm all for you era rabadaba bwaba lwakuba kati ali Bulaya nandibadde njagala ajje tukayimbe so because it's my baby so nali mu second year campus. I'm second year campus ku Multitech wali business school, but I didn't give up on school. Nabeerayo nekakwata nekyankomera ebizibu. You know how you have a hit song atenga oli kusomero nga si byangu naye nengamba because my mom yangamba byonna bikole naye njagala mwana musoko okole ekyo graduating, and I did in 2015 with a bachelor's in business administration and management, and I got a first degree. So tuli bayimbi naye okusoma tukwagala obanga oli muyimbi muteeyo soma okuyimba kubeerawo tekuvaawo soma kikuyamba kubanga okuyimba tekumala olina okwongerako ebirala awo maaso awo so bwe najja nenzijaawo semwe nenzija nkubanja I was a backup artist of Radio and Weasel when I was in campus. That is how I met my first manager. Nakwatakawo netujja na I think bali bayawukanye ne Radio and Weasel netutandika TNS eyo olaba obufaananyi obukadde you see me Shiba Palaso Omugenzi Eke Saha Bakri. So that was the journey. Netugenda bimanya ebya group netujja tetwakyawukana bubi just twagamba katwetongoze feka netwetongoza around 2016. Netujja 2016 when again I'm Coke Studio. I was number 3 by the way guys in Coke Studio. I think that's how I got many contacts that I have. I thank my manager for that. That was actually is one of the biggest stages I've had. Sija kubeera ungrateful, no. I really appreciate that, and he did a lot. So nenzija manager Mbroni Mulindwa nankwatako. We had a contract twayawukana bibannange nga bemubiyogera. Contract yali ya 3 years nagenda alina byakola ebirala bingi, you know, and you know with the journey si byangu ebyabawala ebyaffe sente kasente biki bambi ate ye yali mulungi temusana kigambo kyonna. He's one of those people who are very professional and nice. Paka kati nina team LJ right now nasalawo nengamba see addicts team LJ music Lydia Jazmine music bano baroni bakabendera Aziz nina team nene nina aba IT managers I'm trying to create a team mami. Actually that's how we deal with the team, and it's really amazing. Bakola, they're really nice and they're very professional. Bebazanyo bakabendera, they don't sleep aba baroni. God bless you. So up to now tuliawo team Lydia Jazmine, I mean LJ manage LJ music. So olugendo paka kati rero, but I want to say one thing. Mama wange bwe yali ankuza yangamba jasembyayo kino ebintu bisatu. Yangamba asirisete ejusa amange era babala bati asirisete ejusa akwate empola atuuka wala buguse muliro. Ebintu bisatu ebyankuza ebyo ndoza kyekyo lwaki maybe abantu balaba kumpisa zenina oba kuki. I really thank my mother and my parents. Twakula ebintu era mama wange buli kaseera nekati nti ndi mukulu nkubira n'akingamba nangamba bwalaba amawulire nga mwana wange asirise takola ki. You will never see me answer anybody regardless, and I've always had answers, and you'll be surprised when you hear some things, man. Propaganda in the mweno industry, but I thank God I've tried. It's not easy to control yourself, chizivu, but I try with people, with the guidance of everybody in my life. Thank you. The foundation of my parents. Mukama, I came from church. I used to sing in church. Naimbako mu watoto. Naleta ebikopo by'essomero lyange buli wamu mbadde muyimbi. Nayimbako mu bandi nga sinayimba buno obw'okuba gitae. Noyimbira abazungu ku Serena eri Wanji. So Mukama, I believe in God. Olunaku nga lumu makintu kwasa Katonda, and I know we are going to make it, and I'm ready. Thank you.